So today we are going to learn the median of the grouped data. Median of the grouped data. Median means actually what do you know about the median? Middle most value. Suppose if just a simple logic I am saying to you for ungrouped data. Suppose if any ungrouped data is given to you, you have to arrange them in a ascending order or descending order. You have to arrange them in either in ascending order or in descending order. So after arranging them in ascending or descending order, the middle most value. Suppose if these 5 fingers are in ascending order, you consider middle में क्या है ये finger. So this is the median. So like that, normally whenever you take into consider numbers, that numbers should be arranged in. First thing you have to know the ascending or descending order you need to arrange. So first let us see that median of the data, grouped data. So how do we find out the median of the grouped data? So in this we are going to learn definition of the median of the grouped data and cumulative frequency, new terminology we are going to introduce. And how do we find out the calculate the median of the grouped data? The same thing previously I have given. Okay, the data, a teacher is given some plants to the number of plants planted. Same problem in the mean whenever we are taken into consideration. So this is the frequency of the different schools planted, number of the plants. So for this median, if you want to find out, so cumulative frequencies you need to calculate here. Frequencies are given to you. So the median of the given set of the data is the observation that lies middle of the data. Middle of the data. Mostly middle most value. क्या है? What is that you need to find out here? So that is called the median of the grouped data. So here the frequency is given to you as a, these are class intervals and these are the frequencies we represent by F. Okay. So now we need to calculate, these are all lower limits of the each class. And these are blue color upper limits, lower limits and upper limits. These are the lower limits and upper limits we call them. And here whenever you are taking into consider, see here 5 to 25 means more than or equals to 5. More than or equals to 5. How many are there? 25 is a lower limit. More than or equal to 25. More than or equal to 5 means, and here 5 se zyada kon means how many are there? So frequencies remains unchanged, or do these frequencies needed to be adjusted as per the new class intervals? Suppose in case if you are taking more than 5 means सारा more than 5 होगा, because when you observe that classes 5 to 25 12 members are there. 5 to 25 12 members are there. And 25 to 45 8 members are there. So means 25 to 40 plants planted, 8 schools are there. So that is nothing but all the schools are planted more than 5 only. So all these planted more than 5. So that's why 12 plus 8 plus 40 plus 20 plus 6 should be added 60 as well. So whenever you are taking more than, this is called more than cumulative frequency distribution. Whenever you add all these numbers, here 62, and you add all these numbers 48, add all these numbers 40, add last two numbers. So these are more than cumulative frequency distribution. Now less than is nothing but, see here, I will explain to you very clearly. 5 to, ये table को थोड़ा समझो. 5 to 25, 12 schools are planted, 5 plants. 25 plants to 45 plants, 8 schools are planted. So more than 5, these schools are also planted more than 5, these schools are also planted more than 5, these schools also planted. So more than whenever you take, lower limit should be taken into consider. So more than 5 बोले तो ये सारा ऐड करना है, more than 25 बोले तो ये सारा ऐड करना है, more than 45 बोले तो ये सारा ऐड करना है, more than 65 बोले तो 20, more than 85 means nothing but 6. Now if you go for the less than cumulative frequency distribution is nothing but table. Distribution is nothing but table. So we are distributing. So less than 25 whenever you are taking into consider. Less than 25. ये upper limit should be. So less than 25 means only 12 members. Less than 45 means ये 12 and 8 both will be there because 45 से कम ये 8 members होगा, ये 12 members भी 45 से कम होगा. So less than 45 means 8 members. Less than 65 means all these should be added. Okay, so like that, less than cumulative frequency distribution can be formed. More than, so less than whenever we take, upper limit should be taken. 5 to 25, 12 members are there. So less than 25 means ये 12 as it is होगा. इधर 45 है, upper limit क्या है 45. Less than 45 बोलो तो ये दोनों add करना पड़ता है. 12 and 8 should be added. So these should not be taken into consider. Less than 45 means. So less than 65 whenever you, here frequencies are, these are frequencies. And less than 25 means cumulative frequency you are going to get it. You are not going to get it cumulative frequencies. These are also called cumulative frequencies only. So less than 25 ये 12 members as it is होगा. Less than 45 बोले तो ये 12 and 8 should be added and to be written here. Less than 45 बोले तो ये भी 12 भी less than 45 है ना बेटा. 12 भी less than 45 है because 5 plants to 25 plants planted schools are 12. So less than 45 is nothing but 12 and 8 should be added. Whenever you take less than cumulative frequency distribution, we call this as a cumulative frequency distribution. So 65 less than 65 बोलो तो ये सारा ऐड करना है. So instead of adding all, ये 20 को 14 ऐड करो directly 34 आ जाएगा. You can add like that also. And less than 85 means 20 ऐड करना है 34 को 54 आएगा. Less than 100. These are also called cumulative frequencies. These are also called cumulative frequencies. Now we need to find out this table represents the cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Less than type बोलते हैं. And greater than type भी होता है. Less than, greater than or more than. So more than first wala is called more than. Okay. So now here you see the differences between these two. Cumulative frequency distribution. I already told you. We call it as a ये more than type है. More than type में क्या करना है पता है? Classes will be given to you. More than type में lower limit should be taken into consider. Less than, more than बोलते more than 5, 60. More than 5, how many schools are planted means 60 schools. With this table, what you can do? You can analyze how many schools are planted more than 5. Directly देख के बता सकते हैं 60. How many schools are planted more than 65? 26 schools are planted. But you do remember that whenever more than is taken, lower limit should be taken, less than is taken, upper limit should be taken into consider. And see here, more than type में cumulative frequencies in a descending order you are going to get. More than type में पहले ये सारा को ऐड करना है 60 आ जाएगा. वो 60 आने के बाद 60 से ये 12 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो 48 आ जाएगा. नहीं ये तो ये सारा को ऐड कर लो 48 आएगा. ये 14, 20, 26 ऐड कर लो 40 आ जाएगा. This is more than type of distribution. And less than type of distribution में क्या है? Upper limit should be taken into consider. Less than 25, 12. Less than 45, 20. ये 20 कैसे आया? ये 12 and 8 ऐड कर लो 20 आएगा. 34 कैसे आया? ये सारा पूरा ऐड करना है. This completely should be added. So while solving the problem, you will be able to understand exercise problem solve करते समय clearly. So these are the two different types of the distributions. One is more than type, another one is less than type. This is less than type. So less than type will be useful to us to calculate the median. Median calculate करने के लिए less than type should be taken into consider. And sum of all the frequencies 60 है ना, last में 60 आ जाएगा less than type में. So ये less than type only should be taken into consider to find out the median. Median find out करने के लिए. So this is 60. That is nothing but total 60 schools are planted the plants. Number of observations. So इसमें half क्या है? n by 2 में 30. So 30 से ज़्यादा in this first observation क्या है? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell which is having more than 30 in this? 34 है ना? So this class is called as median class. The median class is the class interval with a cumulative frequency more than or closest to the value of n by 2. n by 2 क्या है बेटा? प्लीज हियर नोट करना है, आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा नोट करना है. मोस्ट मीडियन क्लास, मॉडल क्लास कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? कैन एनीवन टेल द मॉडल क्लास ऑफ दिस distribution? Please, can anyone tell the model class of this distribution? Can anyone tell the model class of this distribution?
Sir, 85 and 105.
No beta, model class.
Sir,
Model
65 to 85.
5 and 85.
बिकॉज फ्रीक्वेंसी में ज्यादा क्या है 20 है, तो ये क्लास शुड बी टेकन एज ए मॉडल क्लास. मॉडल क्लास. सो ये फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होगा? f1 होगा, ऊपर f0 होगा, नीचे f2 होगा. मोड में हम लोग सीखेंगे. बट मीडियन क्लास कैन नॉट बी फाइंड आउट लाइक दैट. मीडियन क्लास ऐसा फाइंड आउट नहीं करते हैं. सो मीडियन क्लास कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? यू कैन फाइंड आउट द मीडियन क्लास. मीडियन क्लास फाइंड आउट करना है तो n by 2, n is nothing but total number of the frequencies should be taken into consideration. n by 2 वैल्यू क्या है इधर? 30. 30 से ज्यादा क्या है इधर? फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इन द क्यूमुलेटिव्स में. क्यूमुलेटिव्स में मोर देन 30, the first frequency is 34. So this class should be taken as a median class. Please note that इसमें median class highest frequency नहीं है. But in your textbook, what are the questions are given to you? Mostly in all the questions, highest frequency वाला ही आ जाएगा automatically. But we cannot identify the median class with the highest frequency. Highest frequency से हम लोग उसको identify नहीं करते हैं. वो point ज़्यादा note कर लो. So now here after getting this median class, this is called a 45 to 65 is. So 34 is the cumulative frequency more than the closest to 30. 30 से ज़्यादा closest to 30 more than. First one, first frequency क्या है? 34 है. So उसका corresponding वाला क्या है? 45 to 65. This class is called median class. I think everyone understood now. This class is called median. So the median formula is L plus in the brackets n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So here L is nothing but what is L? Each and every term I am going to explain to you. L is a lower limit of the median class. So what is the lower limit here? 45. इसमें lower limit क्या है? 45. So 45 is the lower limit. समझ में आया ये? So L value is 45. And n is total number of observations. इसमें एक एक वेरिएबल को एक्सप्लेन करना. ये टोटल सम 60, ये भी 60 आ जाएगा, इधर भी 60 आएगा लास्ट में. And you can identify here also 60 you should get. Otherwise you need somewhere else calculation. ये देखो ये point भी 60 आना है. So दोनों same है. N. Then CF is nothing cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Median class से पहले वाला cumulative frequency that is here 20. ये median class है ना? इससे पहले वाला median class क्या है? ये है. इसका cumulative frequency क्या है? 20. The 20 is the cumulative frequency. So CF is 20. So please note that CF is 20. Okay? Did you understand here? So CF is F is
नहीं ये जगह.
हाँ क्या बेटा?
सर ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, फिर से रिपीट कीजिए ना.
CF you want? आपको मीडियन क्लास आया ना. दिस इज मीडियन क्लास ना. 45 to 65. 45 to 65 is a median class. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Median class से पहले वाला क्या है? So ये this is the n by 2. So ये median class है ना 45 to 65. इससे पहले वाला क्लास क्या है? Preceding is nothing but before. इसका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? 20. ऊपर वाला लेना है बेटा, कुछ नहीं. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. ये cumulative frequencies है. इसमें ये median class से पहले वाला लेना है बस. Before that, preceding is nothing but इससे पहले वाला. This is median class. So yes, yes, tell me बेटा.
सर जो क्लास मिडिल में आता है उसे ही मीडियन क्लास लेते हैं क्या?
No. That's why I said middle में आने वाला नहीं है. आपको cumulative frequencies में n/2 लेना है. n/2. n वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? इधर 60 है ना. 60 का हाफ कितना है? 30. इसमें 30 से ज्यादा फर्स्ट वन क्या है? फर्स्ट वन क्या है? ये 34 है ना. ये वाला क्लास मीडियन क्लास होगा. समझ में आया?
यस सर.
इसमें 5 क्लासेस दिया है. सो मिडिल वाला आया है. So always you may not get the middle. Always it depends upon the given frequencies. हम लोग exercise problem solve करते हैं. Then आप at the time of solving the exercise problems, then easily still you will get practice more. समझ में आया अभी?
यस सर.
So now here f is nothing but frequency of the median class. Can anyone tell them what can be the f value? Median class का frequency.
14.
Yes, very good. 14 is the median class का frequency. Frequency बोला तो ये है. So ये median class है. इसका frequency 14 है. So therefore f value is 14. F value is 14. C. And h is nothing but class size. Can anyone tell me the class size of this class?
20.
20. Very good. ये 25 minus 5 करना है. 20 is the class size. Very good. You are observing very nicely. Keep it up. So very simple here. Some problems will be little bit complicated. So these values should be substituted in this to find out the median. Median is equals to ये value substitute करना है इसमें. Substitute कर लेते. Just identifying the median class and the values only the main thing. And simplification ये 45 है. 45 इधर substitute कर लो. Plus n/2 value is 60/2 30. ये 30 हो जाएगा माइनस CF वैल्यू 20 बाय F वैल्यू 14 and do observe that CF by 20 into 20. So simplify करो 30 minus 20 by 14 into 20. ये 20 as it is taken. So 45 plus 30 minus 20 is 10. 10 by 14 into 20. तो इसको डेसिमल में एक्सप्रेस करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो. ये वैल्यू यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इन दिस 200/14. 200/14 वैल्यू डिवाइड करना है. So 200/14 वैल्यू डिवाइड कर लिया तो 14.28 you will get, and the final answer is 59.28. 59.28. And you observe that this answer also comes in the median class only. ये median class है ना, ये दोनों का बीच में नंबर आ जाएगा, वो ऑब्जर्व कर लो. ये दोनों को बीच में ये मीडियन क्लास हम लोग. सपोज आप गलत कैलकुलेशन किया है. सपोज इफ यू आर डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, इफ यू गेट 67 or 69, then you can identify the median. So 50% of the schools planted less than 59 trees and 50% of the schools planted more than 59, because median क्या आया हमको 59 point something आया. So 59 schools had 59 trees planted by the less than 45, less than 50. So half of the schools उससे कम है, half of the schools उससे ज़्यादा है. 49 schools are 59 schools, 50%. That means 30 schools are planted 59 से कम, 30 schools are planted 59 से ज़्यादा. So this is the way to find out the median, and we will go for the next to find out the what we have learned. Once again see here main key points in this. Key points क्या हम लोग क्या median of the group of data. Median of the given set of the data is the observation that lies in middle of the data. Middle में रहने वाला तो median बोलते हैं. We call it as median. And cumulative frequency of the class is obtained by adding the frequencies of all the classes preceding the given class. एक को add करते जाते तो then आ जाएगा. So there are two types of the cumulative frequencies. One is less than type, another one is more than type. And preparing the cumulative frequency distribution is the first step in calculating the median of the throughput data. Throughput data find out करने के लिए cumulative frequencies first find out करना है. So say then after you can go for next cumulative frequency distribution of either more than or less than type can be used to find out the median of the model. But normally we use less than type. So median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. In this, L is lower limit of the median class, N is the total number of observations. Can anyone say what is CF? Cumulative frequency of the median class. Cumulative frequency of median class. And F is nothing but frequency of the median class. Median class. H is class size. H is a class size. Okay? So this is about the median of the data. Did you understand here? And I'm going to let us see the exercise problems now. Exercise problems देखते हैं. So exercise problems means some questions are given to you in something different way. So that questions all we have. We will see now. Okay? Chapter number 14. Excuse me. Exercise problems in the median, you are going to have the little bit different questions will be there. Okay, as we are not having the more time now, I'll take the one more class to you afterwards.